Voice.
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 Voice, to me, it's about speaking up and showing up.
For me, as a Black person in the UK, it's an opportunity to make yourself heard, even if in the room you're the only person of color.
I think the first thing that comes to mind is presence. I think you have to be in a space first in order to actually contribute and share your voice.
Having a voice is being able to make a difference, cause change and impact the world.
Voice to me means in a world where there's a lot of noise, being able to stand out and be clear and be succinct and being able to get your point across.
We should learn to appreciate the voice that we have, and then we should learn to make impact, no matter how small it is.
There have been so many instances in my life where I found and lost my voice, and I think coming to LBS was a way for me to find my voice again.
I've never thought of myself as a minority. I've always been around people that look like me and think like me, and so coming to LBS, that's shifted a bit, and I'm really looking forward to using my voice more. I'm ensuring that there is inclusivity when it comes to people that speak up across the school.
Culture.
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 I am a proud Zulu woman from KZN in South Africa, and these are our beads. They're part of what we wear in celebratory events. It represents our culture because we are very colorful, we are very joyful, we're very community-based.
Each color means something very special. The black represents the people. The two aquamarine strips, one is for the sea, the other blue is for the sky, and the yellow is for the sun.
In Ethiopia, there's this culture, it's called Debo, which means everybody comes together when someone wants to build a house or start a business or farm or harvest. And I think I carry that spirit with me.
We're very confident, but we're also very entrepreneurial and we're resilient people. And I think the average Nigerian grows up with that sort of identity. It's, a cultural heritage that I'm very proud of.
We're a very accommodating culture. We're very welcoming. And I think that's one thing that we tend to carry with ourselves wherever we go. There's just a general warm energy that people from Kenya tend to have.
Unity.
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 I think that, especially as a Black woman, being a mentor to younger Black women and younger Black girls is really important. Getting them to almost shed that skin of, trying to be very humble and play yourself down. I think it's really important to be able to tell your story and tell your truth.
A cross-cutting value I've seen in both the Kenyan and Nigerian culture is community, looking out for each other, checking in that you're not alone. We're new to London, but you still are able to draw strength from your community and become even better than maybe you would have by yourself.
I think allyship is very important. I can shout as loud as I can and it will definitely be heard, but if somebody's next to me shouting, it will be louder. So all the Black people can come together and shout, but we need people who aren't necessarily Black or of Black heritage to be able to shout with us and just make that bigger noise, to make that a stronger connection. So I think that is something I want to keep doing in the future, just creating that space where everybody, Black heritage and non-Black heritage allies, can come and just be a part of what we are trying to build here at LBS.